Hi angels, I am going to be making a simple white cake. I'll put the recipe that I'm working from below, and I'm going to be making a chocolate ganache to go with that cake. The cake though is going to be made in cupcake form just because it'll be easier. And let me show you what I got going on with the ingredients. Okay, so we have sugar, we have butter, we have eggs, we have vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, baking soda, milk, and then for the ganache, heavy whipping cream, which isn't out here right now yet, and shaved milk chocolate. I have never made ganache before, so I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping it'll turn out pretty good. I've already preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now I just need to grease and flour or put in the things into the muffin tin. So let me grab that. Right here. And start putting the little, I think those are over here. Start putting the little protectors in, if I can find them. I know I have some, it's just a matter of, aha, there they are, locating them. Voila! Alright, put all this stuff back. We've got heavy cream in there and I want to use it. So I figured this would be a good way to do that. Alright. They're ready. And okay, we're gonna first cream the butter with the sugar. So Chelsea here is doing that in my handy dandy little mixer. I'll put a link below. I got this on Amazon. It'll be associated link if you're interested in a small little kitchen mixer. So yeah, we cream these together first, and then we add the eggs in slowly. Up here, I think.
Oh, no, that's gonna inject those.
Oh, there we go. There. We got it.
Oh shit.
Remember, yeah, we gotta turn that. All right, we'll be back when that gets creamed. always melt my butter first, because that's why it has the grainy look to it.
Does it eventually even out?
Oh well, it still tastes good.
Okay.
It'll just be buttery.
Okay.
It's okay. I just forgot, and I've known that plenty on cooking shows that your butter should be warm, at least room temperature. All right. You ready for flour? Well, it looks like it's coming together. It smells nice. Okay, I have that mixed. Now I'm going to add the milk right here. I can do that without making a mess. A little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Alrighty. Okay, our texture is, I think, on point now, so yay, on to the next step. Okay, I'm getting ready to put them in. I'm going to use 1/4 cup to fill them so they're not overfilled. We'll see how that goes. 1/4 cup. Put it in one of these back here so you can see it really easily. Okay, I need a small spatula though to get it out of there. Yeah, that looks okay. Alright. 1/4 cup at a time. Very happy with the texture. I was a little worried that with the butter being too cold that wouldn't pan out, but I think we're gonna be fine. We're gonna call these over-the-top cupcakes because I probably am filling them a little too much. So I expect they're gonna bust out over the top. But we'll see. You stay there, little cupcake. Alright, we'll see. Be back in a moment. Alrighty, got them all filled and ready for them to go in the oven. And then I'll work on the chocolate ganache, which I'm using a boysenberry chocolate. Oh yes. Decadent. I'm back. Okay, for the chocolate ganache, we're going to pour half a cup of heavy whipping cream into a microwave safe bowl. Some heavy whipping cream right here. And point the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. This is a fourth a cup, so we're gonna do 2 of these. Make it a half a cup. I'm gonna do just a touch more because we are a little over the amount of chocolate it says to use. And it says to heat this for 45 seconds to a minute. Make sure and keep an eye on it so it doesn't bubble all over the microwave. And then we're going to pour over the chocolate and let it sit. Okay. Okay, now it says to just pour the heavy whipping cream over the chocolate and then let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll be back in. Okay, it's been a couple minutes and I'm just whisking it together. Till it's well combined and smooth. Allow to cool 10 to 15 minutes before using it on dessert. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever made ganache. This is my first attempt at it. It smells really nice. Alright. Let's combine it and cream to me. Yay! Alright, cupcakes look beautiful. Ganache is not as firm as I was hoping it would be, but that's okay. We're gonna see if we can just dip the cupcakes to decorate them or to cover them. So I'm gonna start with the little one right here. I'm just gonna dip it in. Oh, that's not bad. After that cools, then maybe we'll go in for a double dip. But yeah, this is working. It's working. It's working. I'm excited. It's working. But yeah, it's a pretty thin layer. So I'll probably try to double dip if I can. We'll see. Ganache smells really nice. Cupcakes smell really nice. I think we've got a winner on our hands. A winner on our hands. All right. Hopefully y'all are doing well. Let me know how you think these look. I'm pretty happy with them so far. Or maybe instead of double dipping, maybe for the, like to finish them off, and then I'll do the drizzle on top maybe. I don't know. I just want them to turn out really nice, but they're looking good so far. Okay, I know these are a hot mess. After dipping them, then they weren't thick enough, so then I poured the ganache over top, which as you can see made a lot of mess on the cutting board, but letting everything settle, and the ganache is thickening up a little bit. I already ate one cupcake. It was so delicious. Like, oh my goodness. I'm going to put a link below to the ganache recipe as well. And, yeah. The cake recipe, amazing. Like, this is a very, very tasty, tasty cake recipe. So I will be repeating the cake recipe. And I will be repeating the ganache recipe. I don't understand why it didn't firm up, but I'm going to do some research, find out the answers to that, and go from there. But thank you so much for watching this. Check out the links below if you're interested, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, I'm here with Jay. I gobbled up my cupcake too fast to film it. So Jay has unwillingly volunteered to try his cupcake on camera. All right, Jay, go for it. I'm going to link Jay below. So if you don't already know, he has a YouTube channel. He needs to be a little more active on it. I will link his YouTube channel below so you can go check out the last thing that he posted.
That was a long time ago. Yeah.
It wasn't recently. Well, you need to post and pre-record. You got plenty of videos. Oh, it's really firming up. The ganache.
Yeah, no, that's still sticky. I wouldn't touch that.
Well, no, I know it's sticky, but I'm saying it's firmer. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not as thin. It's you know, it's firmed up.
Okay. Oh, it's sticky.
I'll tell you what, this cake recipe, bomb. It's so good. It's so moist and yummy.
That's good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You like the ganache too?
Mm-hmm.
The chocolate? It's good flavor, huh? That's that chocolate boysenberry bar that I got from Knott's Berry Farm. That's what I used to make the ganache.
That's funny.
So I think that maybe why it took so long to set up is because it had like a jam inside of the chocolate bar.
Probably.
But I'm really happy with it. It was really messy though with the ganache. I'm going to have to figure out a way to make it less messy, because I'm definitely going to be making ganache again in the future. Because I'm thinking of doing some flavored ganaches. I think that could be fun. Alright, I'll let you eat. Bye.